Yo, what is up, Stock Money Nation? I hope you had a fantastic day because we are back at it again. It's your boy Asten, and you know I got the hotter than hot stocks for you like always. If you want to make some money and get paid in the next 24 hours, you know I got you. My focus is to always help you out, family, and to provide you with what you need. I got the experience, I have the knowledge, and of course I got your back. My intent is to help you make some quick cash so you can have lunch on me tomorrow. I don't want you on your deathbed still waiting to turn a profit. I want you constantly winning and always ready to do it again. Before I get too long-winded, let me tell you how it's gonna go today. First, I'll take a look at the overall market and give you my perspective. Second, I'll give you an update on my picks from the last video. And third, I'm gonna give you my 3 hot stock picks for tomorrow so that you can be set up to shine. Now let's dive into it. Starting off with the major indices, we had 2 out of the 3 positive today. The Dow Jones ended up about 0.1%. The S&P 500 ended up about 0.1%, and the NASDAQ was down about 0.2%. Based off these numbers, today may have seemed like a boring day because they were kind of flat, but if you digged a little bit deeper, you know some stocks got absolutely hammered today. Jerome Powell from the Federal Reserve spoke today about policy, so he gets the blame, but who really knows what was the cause of this? But the S&P did make another 52-week high today, so I guess there's some good mixed in with the bad. But moving on to my first stock pick from my last video was Chewy, ticker symbol CHWY. Chewy finished the day down a little bit over 6%, or down $5.32 to finish the day at $78.90. The intraday low was $78.84, and the intraday high was $84.75. This one started out close to where it closed yesterday, and then from there it just glided down like it was on a water slide. I was picking up shares all day, but since it continued to fall, I was not able to exit my position. So it looks like I'll be holding this one until further notice. Up next was MP Materials, ticker symbol MP. This one finished the day down almost 2%, or down 64 cents to finish at $35.10. The intraday low was $34.16, and the intraday high was $36.86. This one started the day in positive territory and then pretty much collapsed. Towards the end of the day, though, it tried to recover from its lows. Even though this was one of my picks, I mentioned I only wanted to buy it if it was down at least 5% today. It was down about 4% at one point today, which wasn't quite the levels I wanted to get in at, so I held my horses and I didn't buy any shares of this one today. I'll be keeping an eye on it though, looking for another opportunity. And now looking at my last pick from the previous video was Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir was down almost 4% today, or down 89 cents to finish at $21.56. The intraday low was $21.51, and the intraday high was $22.62. This one pretty much started the day off flat and then just folded from that point on. I was picking up shares of this one throughout the day, but it never recovered enough for me to sell. So like my other one, I'll hang on to this one and hope for a turnaround. So in review, all of my picks from yesterday's videos were pretty much duds, but things got ugly for a lot of stocks today, not just these. It was a hard day to make quick profits, but that's why you always need to keep extra ammo so that you can always be ready for the next opportunity, because when stocks make big moves like they did today to the downside, they provide us with great setups. So if you participated in these plays today like me, just know each new day is a chance for redemption. And plus, if you didn't sell, it's only a paper loss and things can always turn around. Now moving on to my first of 3 hot stocks for tomorrow is Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. Coinbase is the platform that allows people to buy, sell, and transfer cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Looking at the chart, Coinbase finished down today about 5.5%, or down $13.37 to finish at $229.94. This one was down a lot today, even though cryptos did all right. It pretty much fell into the trend of a lot of other stocks. So with this kind of move, I'll be looking to pick this up on weakness tomorrow because it's pretty close to its all-time low. And the business is solid, so it wouldn't take much to get this one going, I feel. Hopefully this one can cut me a break tomorrow and I can cash in from a quick turnaround. Now my number 2 pick for tomorrow is Tattooed Chef, ticker symbol TTCF. This company currently sells frozen foods that are plant-based, but they have a whole variety of plant-based snacks that they want to roll out in the near future. They're already in several of the major retailers, and they just announced a big deal to distribute their products at Kroger as well. Looking at the chart, Tattooed Chef was down about 5% today, or down $1.06 to finish the day at $19.54. At this point, I imagine you see a trend. It was just a little bit more painful for a lot of stocks today than in the previous days. But I'll be looking to get in on any weakness tomorrow because I already like the price, but by it being down this much, I'm almost in love. But don't get it misconstrued. This one can drop some more. I've seen it fall to about 15. So I'm gonna keep that in the back of my head as I pick up shares, but if it turns around, I'll be looking to book in a quick profit. And now my third and final pick for tomorrow is Upwork. Ticker symbol UPWK. Upwork enables businesses to find and connect with all kinds of freelancers and independent professionals. An example of this is, say you needed a website built for your company. Well, you could go on Upwork and then find web developers to contract with. Looking at the chart, Upwork got wrecked today. It was down over 17% or down $10.55. It finished the day at $50.15. This stock had been doing great up until today, and then out of nowhere you get almost a 20% discount. So I'll take that plus anything else I can get. If this one is down tomorrow, I'm definitely hopping in it, looking for quick profits as I head towards the exit if it turns around. I may not get that chance if it's up a lot first thing tomorrow, so I'm probably going to pick up some shares today in the post market. A one-day move like this is calling my name, so it's hard for me to resist. So those are the 3 hot stocks I'll be looking out for tomorrow. So I wish everyone the best of luck and happy trading. Now I need you suited and booted first thing tomorrow with your eyes open. I need you on the lookout so that you don't miss out. Be fearless, take what's yours, and grab control of your destiny. There's nothing to fear and nothing mystical about the stock market. We just got to use our common sense so that we can make dollars. And that's why I'm here to share my thoughts with you, so I can provide some light in the darkness if you need it. If you're already an advanced trader or investor, just take what I say as a bonus, because I do my best to find the stocks of fantastic companies at great prices to get in at and then share them with you. So no matter your timeline, your train of thought, or style of trading, my hope is that you can still benefit. But always remember, I am not a financial advisor, nor do I know the future. Everything I say here on my channel is meant for educational purposes only and should just be taken as my opinion. Nothing here should be considered investment advice. You should always do your own due diligence and then, based on your research, decide how to spend your money, because only you know what's right for your situation. Every company may not be right for you, and you may not agree with all my stock picks, but that's okay. Just take what I give you and build off of it. That way you can construct the future that you always wanted and live the life of financial freedom. And don't be afraid to leave me a comment if you have questions. If anything I said in this video helped you learn something or helped you make some money, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm always dropping bombs on you. Every day I'm bringing the heat, and you want to stay up to date with the plays, so make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss a beat. And if you're looking for a new broker, check out my link in the description below to Webull. They give you access to the extended trading hours, and you get free stocks when you open a new account. But anyway, that's enough for me today, so I'm gonna let you get back to it. Remember, you are beautiful, somebody thinks you're special, and I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.